three high-level points when you go back to your offices. If you can remember these, that'll be good. That's what we want to get out of this. The first one is something we're calling information age applications. The other two things are data hubs and Grid version 2. We think an information application, surprise, surprise, probably should give you information, good information. Or what's good information? Well, it probably should be timely, maybe even real time, depending on your environment, consistent across all applications, one view of a customer, for instance, complete, relevant to the event or the decision being made, all the context you need at that moment. And then, of course, global. It has to be accessible globally, be viewed in the context of being global. You can actually drive better performance out of an entire company, entire organization, if you have good information. You can drive better alignment if we have common facts, common objectives. We all agree on the facts. We're not debating that. We know what we're trying to do. You can drive better collaboration among different business units because we have shared processes for those unstructured data. You can drive better measurement, which is a big one. You cannot do that if you don't have quality information. And the last one that is discussed a lot is the increasing need for transparency. Having to document all the compliances on how you make decisions. It's just a matter of time. You're going to have to document where the information came from that you based the decision on. Information that's shared consistently, globally, quickly is powerful. Same thing in a company, country, organization. We think it's going to become commonplace going forward. So what we provided is what we think is a fundamental new component to computer architecture that helps you get to information applications, information age applications with existing legacy systems. And that essentially is what this new product category is. It's called a data hub. We have a central customer hub that talks in real time or whatever time frame that you want to all these feeder systems from SAP, from Siebel, wherever customer data is, legacy systems, even external data sources. And it's continuously synchronized. This is not just a data warehouse with information that's a month old. This replaces all that stuff, and you can have this be the repository that sits underneath these applications. And as the applications change, you want to replace them, fine. You have persistent data in the middle. The asset that I talked about earlier is still there. Applications can come and go. You want the data to be consistent. We've come out with more hubs. This is going to be a fundamental piece of your architecture in the future, we believe. So the product data hub to do the same thing with product data, because you have the same problem with product data, right? What engineering uses to track a product is different from manufacturing and what your suppliers see. Different part numbers. Part of the problem I described earlier. Product data hub, big need in manufacturing. Citizen data hubs in government organizations that are trying to track citizen interactions across multiple types of services. They have the same problem. Financial consolidation hub, consolidating financial data, and then unique to the financial services industry for banking and insurance companies, a financial services accounting hub to put business intelligence and the related information in one place there so multiple applications can access it. Grid comes into the picture here because if you have more applications that are going to be integrated, which should be the case if you make it easier, the performance of those applications is going to be more unpredictable. Because any given application is a service used by multiple applications and multiple users. And so Grid is a way to load balance that demand across all your different resources. Oracle Grids run these real world applications unchanged. So if you want to run an application to take advantage of multiple machines, multiple boxes, not just within one box, but start to put multiple blade servers, commodity computing devices together, multiple machines, without changing the application, which is a no-no because people don't have time to do that. There's only one product that can do that in the market, and that's the Oracle Grid. So yeah, IBM and these others, they can bring in armies of consultants to parallelize your application for you. That's going to take a long time. We need it to happen automatically, and that's the one point of differentiation I'd like you to remember.